Viewers, this time I want us to tackle what needs to be included in Chapter 4. Chapter 4 is all about data analysis, where you interpret the data that you collected from the field. And this chapter again will begin with an introduction. An introduction basically comprises of what you are going to cover in that chapter. And so introduction, then you'll have a small subtitle also called questionnaire return rate. This is in case you are using questionnaires, you want to tell your readers how many questionnaires you distributed and how many actually came back or are returned or answered successfully. So you can present that in a table with one column showing the targeted and another column showing the actual returns that were responded, or those who have managed to respond. You can also give the percentage and explain. Then the third one is that you need to tell us the demographic details or information about your respondents or participants. And the demographic information will capture issues or elements such as gender, education, experience, depending on the kind of data that you wanted to collect from the field. So make sure you explain, give the statistics, and you can actually use a table or a chart to represent that data. Then after the demographic information, now we come to the analysis proper, where now we will follow the objectives of the study. So each objective that was also captured in the questionnaire had some items, the items of each objective. That is what you are going to present now in each objective. And you can use a table, you can use a chart, you can use any figure to represent the results of what you are analyzing. So capture all that information, and after explaining what your figure or table is showing or illustrating, you need also to tell us what the implication of that to your study, and then you need to support your answers or your results based on the literature that you had in Chapter 2, review of related literature. If your finding corresponds to that of another researcher that you had mentioned in Chapter 2, please indicate. If they differ, please indicate, so that your analysis will look academic and very rich. So make sure you capture all the objectives. Thank you.